Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Jody with RboundlessVentures, and we are in the Wayne National Forest right here in Pedro, Ohio, and I'm going to take you guys on a tour of the campground, so stay tuned, and I'll be back with you in just a minute. So we're here in Pedro, Ohio. We're making our way up to Dayton, Ohio. We're going to stay at the Wright-Patterson Air Force Base. That'll finish out our Ohio stay. I'll show you here in a little bit as we're putting the new sticker on. We're staying in Ohio. I'm not sure how you guys do it, but for us, we like to spend at least one night in the state before we put the sticker on. And yep, let this truck go by. So if you guys would, we'd take a minute, go ahead and smash that like button. Make sure you hit the subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future episodes. And drop us a comment. I will answer all comments. So hope you guys enjoy this video, and we'll see you guys on the road. This week we're staying at Lake Vesuvius Recreation Area. It's in the Wayne National Forest. And we'll take you on a little tour. So this is the entrance. Get the trusty e-bike fired back up. And away we go. So it is a national forest campground, so there's no alcoholic beverages allowed. So it's about a mile up in here. That's why I'm on the e-bike. I'll show you guys around. So it's a nice little incline here. So they do have a beach access area. I'll see if I can find some aerial footage. I plan on going over there today. Thank goodness for this electric e-bike. Not sponsored. We bought these with our own money. I'll link a video down in the description where I did a walk around on the bikes. Right now mine has 210 miles on it. So we do have a little dock area over here to my right. I'll stop up here. You can see some of it. So I think this is our third time staying at we'll call it a federal style of campground. Partial hookups again. So let me ask you guys a question. With the RVers out there that are watching our channel, how many of you have a turd toter tank? The Blue Buddy, go by different names. Pull in here at the boat ramp. See the dock area out there. People fishing. Place up here to park your boat trailer. Go on loading his kayak. We're gonna do a little kayak fishing. Onward and upward. wine bar. Bigger loops, so there's 4, we just call them family restrooms. You get your own private shower, toilet, and sink. Here's the partial hookup sites, like I said. Coming up to our site, we're in site 3. In the Oak Hill. See it right there. We'll take a tour. Give me a minute. So like I said, we're in site 3. Park the truck sideways, you got plenty of room. It was a little tight backing in around that tree. Walk out here, I'll show you what I mean. So you can see the edge of the road here. You can see the pavement. You know, we did get it in the first try. I did have to wiggle a little to make room around the slide. But all in all, we're pretty much shaded all day because of the trees. You do get a fire ring and a grill, and that's our picnic table. Blacktop site. You know, we got our pit boss and Blackstone set up out here. You know, pretty big grass area. There's the bathhouse. There's us. Not a far walk. So we've been using the bathhouse for everything. Plenty of room for the slide out tray. You know, it's fairly level. You know, it's a little low in the front. The site is, but yeah, Montana did good. So on to the next topic. So we're not your typical RV channel full of adventures. We try to show you what we're into. We're mostly, you know, we hang around the campsite, typical, just like living in sticks of bricks. You know, you don't go out on an adventure every day when you're living at home, and we take the same approach when it comes to RV life. But on that note, when we find something interesting, we like to bring you guys along. We hope you're enjoying our videos, and if you are, make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and your notification bell is turned on so you don't miss any of our future videos. I'm trying to grow this channel. There's a lot of work that goes on the background that you guys may not see or know, but you know, I appreciate everyone tuning in every week. I'm trying to get better at posting them on a weekly basis. I may change the days. I'm looking for the best time. So if someone's watching and you have a good time that you would like to see our videos posted, you know, drop that down in the comments. I answer all comments on all social media platforms. So any and all comments are welcomed. You know, just be respectful. That's all I ask. You don't have to be rude in the comments. But we just left West Virginia. Hope you like that video, and keep coming back. So that's going to wrap up our stay here in Pedro, Ohio at the Wayne National Forest. We're in the Oak Hill campground, here in the Wayne National Forest. It's a really nice park. We enjoyed our time here. There's not a lot of extra activities that are available in the area, so it's a good place to come if you're looking to unwind and relax. These are partial hookup sites, so keep that in mind. But on to the next adventure. We're headed to Dayton, Ohio, so make sure you're tuned in and you got your subscribe buttons hit, that bell notifications on, and we'll catch you guys on the next one. Hopefully we'll meet you on the road. Bye.